Welcome back, guys, on my YouTube channel. Now, this is the Crypto Devs, your mentors signing in. Now, in today's video, I've brought you most of the additional terms used on coinmarketcap. So coinmarketcap is a website which displays all cryptocurrencies which are public in this world. Now, these terms which I've tried to highlight for you, they are used to explain or express a certain cryptocurrency. So stay with me till the end of this video. I think you will have learned a lot from what I'm going to be talking about. Now, if you're watching this video, please, and you haven't subscribed, we have already reached a mark of 33 subscribers. Let's push it to 100 subscribers. So if you watch this video and you get some valuable information from it, don't just play another video without subscribing to our channel. So do subscribe, like, and also comment down in the description what you have learned from this video, or what videos would you like us to make in the nearby future. Now, for the recommended broker we advise you to use to start trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, it is Binance. Binance is so far the largest and well trusted exchanger to use for your trading career. Now, if I focus on my notes, I have what we call overview. So overview is a term used to express or give you details about the types of charts, which is the price movement of a certain currency. So when you go to overview on market cap, let me try to go on market cap. When you go on market cap, let me say Binance. If I click on Binance, they're going to bring me all the data. I mean Bitcoin. They're going to bring me all the data about this cryptocurrency. Then after you scroll down, now when you scroll down, they're going to bring you these terms. We have what we call overview, we have markets, historical data, news, price estimates, and more info. Now what I'm trying to explain is overview. Now overview is where you look or focus on a chart of certain cryptocurrency. Now if I go to all-time high, that means they're going to display me with a chart of Bitcoin from when it was public up to the current market price. I think you can well see that the chart of Bitcoin started, or Bitcoin charts started being displayed since 2013 up to date. Now we are in 2022. So now here is why we recommend you to use coinmarketcap. Coinmarketcap has a lot of information if you are trading or focusing on cryptocurrencies. Now take coinmarketcap like a serious issue, because if you don't have coinmarketcap, you can be a victim of people who are being scammed on internet through investing in cryptocurrencies. But coinmarketcap has all the information you would like to know about a certain cryptocurrency before you invest in your money. Now the second term is what we call markets. These are exchanges where we can buy these coins. When you go back to coinmarketcap and you tap on markets, now remember you're on Bitcoin. Now you can see that you are able to buy Bitcoin on Binance, FTX, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Binance US. So all these exchanges being listed down, you can go to these exchanges and you buy Bitcoin. Now if you are not able to register with Binance, because this is the recommended broker we recommend you to use, you can get an account with Coinbase or KuCoin. So it's up to you. You have to choose which exchanger you would like to use, or which exchange is best for you to use. Then you can decide to use that. But why do we recommend Binance? If you try to look at Binance at the moment, it's volume. Volume is the amount of money invested by investors and traders, particularly using Binance. Now when you focus in the USD Tether markets, I can see they're investing over $6 billion in Bitcoin. but in the USD Tether markets. The second markets which are participating well, the Binance USD. Binance USD is also another market where you can go and buy Bitcoin. So they're investing in over 2 billion and 200 million US dollars. So this is also a lot of money. So when you go to markets, that's where you find most of the exchanges you can use to buy a certain cryptocurrency. Now, a third term is historical data. Historical data, when you place on historical data, they show you the price movement ever since this currency was listed or became public. When you tap here on date range and you say I would like to know Bitcoin in May 2021 first, what was its price? So you choose the date plus the month. After choosing them, you can decide to load the data. After loading, they'll give you the Bitcoin price in 2021, either August or July or May. All the months are being stated here. Now the historical data helps us to actually monitor how has this currency been performing 3 years back, 2 years back, 5 years back. So that is the role of the historical data. Now another feature on my list is fundamental news. Now the fundamental news, when you click on news, you're going to get updates on what are people talking about Bitcoin. So when you tap on news, they're going to bring you the latest news. Is Big Eyes coming to compete against the rulers of altcoins, Ethereum? So you find news concerning a particular cryptocurrency. What ideas do people have on a certain cryptocurrency? You all find them in this section of the news. So most people who are using coinmarketcap, most of them do not know this information that I'm trying to state down. So that's why I come out to try to explain for you. Don't use coinmarketcap just watching or analyzing currencies, but use coinmarketcap specifically like your trading view, specifically like your fundamental analysis website, because it has a lot of futures. So if you focus on it, that means you'll be so brave in whatever you are doing. So that's all we had for you in today's video. I was trying to explain most of the terms people do violate when they are using coinmarketcap, yet they are major factors to watch when you're using coinmarketcap before you invest in a certain currency. Now don't forget to like and subscribe like I've told you before, plus also commenting down the description and liking this video, because a lot of content is still coming. So we'd like you to be the first person to get the notification of a new uploaded video.